KMRSounds.
Yeah, Tiana. Boy, be mad to my girls. Tell yourself, boy, it's a fun, you know. I wish you had that song there. A puppy tail, a lazy body, a break it off. I wish one. Me have so much song. Hey, yo, fully. You know about this, only prove you mad. Step to a giant. What you do? Make me school the lad. Two in your face, me never use a rag. Hogs, grand spend and cassava piece. Who's it that? Your cheerleader, them get send your crew to God. IG, a fast profit them never chew to bad. Boy, boy, baby, my mother, that a news to brag. She call me and say, guess who? And I use she tag. Foot a run, God left him, but keep trying. Until the time come, look at work, try some. Them can't buy box food and want buy. Boy, with your light tongue, where you bet? Night sun, well, I'm surprised I can buy cream for stay brown. Whack your teeth, them not like teeth for Spain town. One drop the box for me game and up a Shane Brown. We are that DJ, fully pod dog, the same clown. Falling soldiers, say sing it better than me. You a go wish say your mother did get a plan B. This man wrong pre, that boy is a fan B. Mine anyway you stand up, you have to pay a land fee. Bow belly stuck in a fence, wrong setting. Up to me them when they da boss, yeah they done setting. Beggar them and stretching, sorry for them, I confessing. Check me for your dub fully bad, but I want bad blessing. Don't do this again, don't step in that bad. Low me Mr. Leng, me done that lad. White towel them, I send them off for showing that flag. Roll a spliff again and show the black bag. Side can't kill me, we never clash. The G never laps, put the beam on the hops. The where the ever lean up a props. We a better me sharp and clean up a last. You fully not, you frontin' like you tough and you banging, you fully blicky up to your melon and push it back. The switch put them to sleep like took a nap. On to them boy at that. Yo, you know what some of the devil have to sing no more. Him know too. Fully pad, leave it alone, yeah? As me say, me a beat from the ground up. Who next?